Pabi Cooper celebrates buying a new car. The singer celebrated with her family members and friends who were excited about her wins. Pabi shared photos of those who celebrated with her. She further acknowledged God for making this win possible. They didn't believe us. God did. Big shout out to my team and my supporters who wouldn't have done this without you all, she wrote.
Papi ko papadung. Alikile ko lo yena. Kamara ko lo ya cash. Cash contant.
That's all that we have for now. Until the next time, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Peace.